What's going on, everybody? Taria Vision Avant here, and I am so excited to announce some great news. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, y'all. Last month, we were really trying to just figure out what was going to be the best parts of what we do here with Show Your Success. And one of the things I thought I was going to eliminate was our one-day book writing success mastermind. We actually had a couple of people that bought tickets to it, and we refunded them the money for their, for the event. However, because we had so many people that were asking for this mastermind, we're deciding to bring it back. So as of right now, you can actually get a ticket to the mastermind for the. I think we're already down. I don't know, like 10. It's really for the first 15 people. But maybe I'll extend it to another number of maybe another 15. But for the first 15 people, you can actually get access to the book writing mastermind for $47. So it's regularly $97. It's a little bit over. It's like 50% off. Okay. So you can get your ticket for 50% off. The book writing mastermind is January the 30th. Now, let me explain to you why this mastermind is so important. One of the biggest things that I want people to understand that we do is we help you to write a book that's designed to sell. But we don't help you to create what you want to sell. That is something that you have to figure out, right? However, many times people are not really able to kind of figure this out. Like, how are they going to leverage the book? How can they build multiple streams? And also, what should I be doing? Like, what should I be doing on a daily basis? So I came up with the one-day program that's designed for if you're already an author, and especially for those of you who are planning to write a book. This book writing mastermind is a day we spend together and we go over understanding how to leverage the book, why books don't sell. We even talk about your 90-day game plan, and I sit there for about an hour and some change answering questions, okay? So you can get access for 50% off. Another dope thing that I'm doing is that everybody who purchases a ticket between now and Monday, I'm going to be doing a drawing on Monday. I'm going to be in the Bahamas. We're actually touring some properties. We're going to be doing a private mastermind this year. Only 20 people, myself amongst and two other million dollar coaches or millionaire coaches. They are going to be a part of this event. So we're touring some different properties in the Caribbean. And so that's why I'll be in the Bahamas. But anyways, I will do the drawing in the Bahamas. So if you get your ticket between now and Monday, then you qualify to be entered into the $250 giveaway. Okay. Now, I cannot promise that the discount coupon is going to be available. This is going to be the link that you want to go to right here. Let me post it. Boop. Bookwritingsuccess.com. And the discount code, I know it's weird, but it's early 2021 6682. So you must put the entire code in to get your 50% off. And if the code does not work, that means the code is, we've already hit the number. But I think what I'll do is I'll add another 10 spots, not 15, but 10. So a total of 25 people will be able to take advantage of that discount code from now until Monday. After the code is gone, it is $97. Okay. So lock in your spot, the Book Writing Success Mastermind. Trust me, if you're an author, you need to be there. If you're planning on being an author, you most definitely need to be there. All right. Okay. So I'll see you guys later. And I look for, anybody that's a part of Book Profits Club. We actually have a meeting on Monday. Okay. It's a meeting mastermind training. So please do not miss your trainings. Okay. We've got some new updates that are happening. So for those of you who are in, you want to take advantage as much as you possibly can. So we're going to be having a meeting on this Monday. So do not miss it. All right. Okay, y'all. Well, that's it. That's all. Deuces.